What's up you guys, Trevor here. Today we're going to be talking about how you can increase your credit score, some of the things that can affect your credit score, and what you can do about smashing that like button. So let's say you can spend $1,000 on your credit card. This doesn't mean that you should spend $1,000 on your credit card, it just means you can spend $1,000 on your credit card. This $1,000 is what's known as your line of credit. And let's say you spend $500, that's half or 50% of your allowed spending amount. Now credit utilization is the percentage of the line of credit that you've used. The big three credit bureaus look at your credit utilization to determine up to 30% of your credit score. So it's very important to keep track of. Having your credit utilization too high, at about 60 to 80%, can actually decrease your credit score. The credit bureaus will view you as a high-risk spender and drop your credit score if it's too high. Now I have a friend that used her credit card to pay off her bills and left her card sitting at about 80% used. Then she forgot to smash that like button. Pay off her credit card. And at the end of the month, her credit score dropped over 30 points. If you don't know much about credit scores, that's a lot. It takes some time to build up your credit score, especially 30 points. The best range to keep your credit score is around 30%. This will show the three credit bureaus that you're not a risky spender and increase your credit score at the same time. If you find yourself using too much of your line of credit too fast, you can always pay your credit card off early. I actually recommend doing this anyway to avoid paying any fees. Paying off your credit card on time is extremely important, and not paying it can destroy your credit score. But you can easily avoid doing this just by paying it off at the end of the month. This actually happened to another friend of mine. He just got his first credit card and started paying all his bills with it. He realized that he reached his credit limit. So I told him he should pay it off early or all the way down to 30% of whatever his credit limit was. So he went ahead and paid it, and it actually increased his credit score just by reducing it to 30%. The other thing you can do if you're reaching your credit limit too quickly is ask your credit card company to increase your credit limit on that card. So let's say your credit limit on your card is $1,000 and they increase it to $1,500 or $2,000. This will let you go through the month without having to pay off your credit card early, and has the benefit of increasing your credit score. But we'll talk more about this in another video. Also, it doesn't matter how many credit cards you have as long as you keep all of them under 30%. That means each individual card is under 30% used. So to sum it all up, keep your credit usage below 30%, ask your credit card company for a credit limit increase, and pay off your credit card to 30% or below before your billing cycle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, even if it's something random. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you enjoy these types of videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.